Hello, good morning, students. Students, today we are going to learn English grammar chapter 10. This is chapter 10. The topic is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, students, I have written here I, we, you, he, she, it, they are also known as pronouns. Okay, this I, we, you, he, she, it, they are also what? They are also called pronouns. Okay, so before reading this example, so let's start reading this definition. Okay, write the word which Minnie's mother uses instead of Hari. This I will not read now. So before that, we will start from here. We use words like I, we, you, he, she, it, they in place of naming words. Okay, in place of naming words, we use what? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, suppose like a Tom, instead of Tom, suppose Tom is talking himself, then I, we will use. And if someone is talking, then you will say. Or if more than one, this we use you for singular and plural also. Okay, suppose if one person, one girl or man or boy, then we use you point you. Then even more than one also we use this you. So we are using this you in singular and plural also. Okay, students. Now in place of naming words, we use them when we talk about the same person or thing many times. So when we use same person or thing for many times, we use this I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay. Now one more definition is there. This we will discuss later on. So I have written here. So I is used for talking about oneself. Suppose I am talking by myself, then I will say I am feeling hungry. So I is what? I is pronouns. Or I am going to market, or I am going to take bath now, I am going to eat my lunch or dinner, whatever it may be. Then we is used for talking about others including oneself. So when we talk about we, so we used for other person or others are talking, including me, suppose if you are talking, then you are talking with friends, so you also must include there. So we use in this way. And you is used for the person or people one is talking to. So you, I told you already, we use with the singular person or plural also. Okay, in singular both it is used. You is used. So here person or people, see, person means one or people means more than one. One is talking about or talking to. Then he is used for a boy or a man. So here we are using for one person or one man. Okay, we use only for a one person or one man. And she also we use for one girl or one woman. Okay, she we are using only for one girl or one woman for singular person. Okay, he also and this she also. Then it is used for an animal or a thing. So if we talk about the animal or things, then we use, if it is one or singular or only one, then we use it. Okay. Then they is used for when there are many people or things. So we use they when there is so many people or so many things, then we use they. Okay, students, I have told you here, once again I am going to tell I, we, you, he, she, it, they are known as what? Pronouns. Okay. Now example I am giving. We like to go park. We like to go park every day. So here I have written we like to go to the park every day. So here we is what? We is pronoun. So next example, she is running after the butterfly. So here which one is pronoun? She is pronoun. He likes to play cricket. Okay, here he is pronouns here. That means singular. Okay, one single person is, we are talking about one singular person. That means a boy or a man. Next, will you play with me? So here asking question. So will you? So which one is pronoun here? You. Okay, you is the pronouns here. Again next let's see. This is my ice cream. I want it just now. Here how many pronouns came here? So I also and it also. Okay, these two are pronouns here. Here next, Hirimba and Hinna are good dancers. They are going to perform dance tomorrow. So Hirimba and Hina are good dancers. So when they are going to perform tomorrow, so which one is pronouns here? So they is the pronouns here. So now let's see from here book. So here also Mini, I made a new friend. His name is Hari. Hari is in my class. Hari like to play cricket. So here I is the pronoun here. Okay. Now you can see he is or here. Okay. And next one, mother. Why are you saying the name Hari twice? Let me correct it and say it for you. You should say he is in my class. He likes to play cricket. So they have to. There he is using. I made a new friend. So that one. So he has to say he. So he is the pronouns here. Here you can see he. So we are using if he a particular boy or a man for he. So this I have finished reading. So next, some children are playing in the park. Read the following sentences to know what they are talking about. So look at the bird. It has such colorful wings. So here it is the pronouns here. Raman is upset with you. So which one is pronouns here? You is the pronoun here. You. He will not play with you. So here how many pronouns are here? He and you. Hey, stop. You run too fast. Okay, here you is the pronoun. We like to come to this park. So we is the pronouns here. Oh, look, she is running after the butterfly. So here she is the pronouns. Okay, students. Now I hope you all might have understood. Yeah, this I, we, you, he, she, it, they are also known as what? Pronouns. Students, you should learn this one. It is not so easy, but you have to. If you learn, if you try, then you can You can learn. You can keep in your mind very easily. So here again, one more. She is used for a girl. Here I have already told here, and it is used for an animal or a thing. They is used when there are many people or things. So again I will read from this side also. I is used for talking about oneself. We is used for talking about others including oneself. You is used for the person or people one is talking to. He is used for a boy or a man. So I have told you this one from this page which I have written and kept. From here I have told you that one, so I will not repeat again. So again, these students here I have written the answers. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So here see, there is garbage on the floor. Please throw it in the dustbin. So you have to select these pronouns. Options are given here, so you have to write it. So otherwise, when I send this video, so I will send you this one, these answers I will be sending you. So you have to copy. That means you have to write in your textbook. Okay, students? So today we end our video here. Bye and take care.